Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about BTEC Level 3 Unit 3, the different types of insurance, which is part of personal finance. What is insurance? Insurance is an agreement that is made with a third party and that provides compensation against any financial loss in line with the conditions that are made within the agreement that you have with the third party. So insurance is a form of protection. Now, insurance is given in return for regular payments, which are called premiums. What are premiums? So premiums are regular payments that are made by an individual or a company to the person that's given the insurance to you in return for the protection. There are different types of insurance. What are the different types of insurance? There's car insurance, home and content insurance, life insurance and assurance, travel insurance, pet insurance, and health insurance. Now I'm going to go through each one of those insurance, give you the definition of them and what their advantages and disadvantages are of each of them. First, what is car insurance? Car insurance is a legal requirement that any car that is on the road, they have to have insurance. It covers thefts and accidents. The type of insurance cover will depend on the type of policy that the individual has chosen. So it could be either third party or it could be fully comprehensive. It protects the driver, it protects the passengers and the other individuals that are on the road. Now, what are the advantages and disadvantages of car insurance? The advantages of car insurance is that it meets the legal requirements and it protects the individual against any damage and theft to the vehicle. And it protects the individual against damage caused to a third party. What are the disadvantages of car insurance? The disadvantages is that an excess fee must be paid. What is home and content insurance? Home insurance covers the physical building, and then the content insurance covers the physical items in the house. For example, furniture or any personal items that you may have. Items that are insured, they will be insured when you're inside the house and when you're outside the house. What are the advantages and disadvantages of home and content insurance? The advantages of home and content insurance is that it protects against damage, which may be too expensive for the individual to repair. And the contents are protected when you're inside the house and when you're outside the house. What is the disadvantage of home and content insurance is that some items, they can't be replaced due to the amount of value that they have. So for example, if a piece of jewelry is inherited from years in generation and down the line, if it's lost, then the value of that item cannot be replaced. What is life assurance and insurance? Life assurance offers insurance cover for the whole of your life rather than having the policy for a set period of time. And life insurance is a policy that is set only for a certain period of time. So life insurance is for the whole life and life insurance is just for a set period of time. What are the advantages and disadvantages of life insurance and assurance? The advantages of life insurance is that it provides a peace of mind to the family. However, the disadvantage of life insurance is that it is expensive. What is travel insurance? Travel insurance, it protects the individuals while abroad. The policy can cover one trip, it can cover multiple trips, or it can cover all trips of the individual. The cover will include loss or theft of your property. It will cover illness and it will cover cancellation and any emergencies. It can cover specific type of holidays and activities as well, depending on the type of cover that the individual has chosen. What are the advantages and disadvantages of travel insurance? The advantages of travel insurance is that it provides protection for belongings when away from home. It covers any medical cost when you are on holiday, and it protects against any cancellations and delays. What are the disadvantages of travel insurance? Is that the person, they might have to pay upfront cost, but then they can repay it later, or they can get the money back later. But they might have to pay the upfront cost at that time. An additional cost when traveling abroad. So when you're traveling abroad, you're going to have to pay an additional cost for the travel insurance. What is pet insurance? Pet insurance, it protects the owner of the pet against some or all the expenses that are associated with treating the pet. What are the advantages and disadvantages of pet insurance? The advantage of pet insurance is that it avoids any expensive vet fees. However, the disadvantage of pet insurance is that there's an additional monthly expense to protect against anything that could happen unexpectedly. What is health insurance? Health insurance covers individuals, families, or employees against any medical expenses. So in the UK, the NHS provides free medical care, but if the individual wanted to have private treatment, then they can have insurance for that private treatment. It can include payment plans to cover routine visits such as dentist and optician visits as well. What are the advantages and disadvantages of health insurance? The advantage of health insurance is that it is used to fund private care, so it's more quicker and efficient with insurance. However, the disadvantage of health insurance is that you're paying for something that you hope that you will never use, and premiums for health insurance can be expensive depending on the degree of cover that you have chosen. That's all the type of insurance and their advantages, disadvantages, and their definitions. You can pause this video and test your knowledge and answer these questions. If you liked this video, then give it a like, follow for more videos, and you can also follow my Instagram for more updates, and you can also see my test shop for resources for this video and other resources that have been uploaded. Thank you for watching.